Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to your temu account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and just download the temu app, alright? And once you try to log in to your temu account, they will ask you for your login information, whether it was login through your Gmail, Facebook, or even Apple. You need to log in to your temu so you can have your purchase history, order history, and all of your data saved in that account. So basically you have more than one way to actually log into your temu account, whether you want to choose to log in through your email address, your personal email address, or you could just choose to log in with with Facebook account, or you could just choose to log in with your Apple account, right? So you have many ways to log in to your temu account. Basically, you can log in using those four accounts: Twitter, Gmail, Facebook, and then lastly Apple. So basically that's it. And after you chose one of these accounts, you're gonna be able to access temu with ease. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.